Well, hello everybody. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to safely lift your C8 with a jack. So you're going to need a set of these pucks, and it has to be specific for the C8. This one happened to be a C6 pucks. It does go into the C8, but I have to kind of jam it in. You're gonna go buy one, just make sure you get the C8 one. So this puck has the slot right here, this piece right here that sticks into a slot under the frame, and this is why you can lift, because this goes right into the frame of the vehicle. Do not lift it anywhere else, because you're gonna ruin your car. So there's 4 slots, of course, 2 on each side. So on the front end, it locates probably a foot or so from this end of the fender. So it goes back about a foot. I'm gonna flip the camera and we'll show you what's underneath. All right, here it is. So you can see pretty clearly from the under, and of course this is all metal frame, and the puck goes right in there. There's like a little cutaway, right in front of this, so you can see it pretty clearly. That's the front. All right, so the back one is there. You can also see it very clearly. Just follow the frame rails, and you should be able to find it. And it's like a round hole on the frame there. That's not the place to put your puck. To go further back, there's that slot right there. You can see the imprint from my puck when I had it there, when I had the work done to the car. So yeah, really simple. Just make sure you use these pucks, and not to jack on the frame of your car. Sorry, not to jack on the body of your car, because you're gonna ruin it.